Some of these cleansers cost over $100. Some cost $6. The ones destroying your skin barrier fastest are not always the cheapest ones. So why does the most expensive face wash at Nordstrom share the same primary cleansing ingredient as the bottle of dish soap next to your kitchen sink? Where is the $100 difference actually going? Yes, this video is exactly what the title says it is. 6 face washes dermatologists flag for barrier damage, and 3 replacements that cost a fraction of the price. No filler, no waiting. The answer starts right now. Most women who buy these cleansers believe they have done their research. They checked the reviews, they saw the dermatologist-tested seal on the packaging. They paid a price that felt like a promise. And the brands they chose spent decades and enormous marketing budgets reinforcing that feeling. The promise was not kept. Dr. Andrea Suarez, a board-certified dermatologist known to her more than 1 million YouTube subscribers as Dr. Dre, has dedicated multiple long-form videos to the specific problem of cleanser pH and sulfate concentration, making the case that your face wash is frequently the single most damaging step in an otherwise thoughtful skincare routine. Not your exfoliant, not your retinol, your daily cleanser. The step you do twice a day without thinking about it. This video covers 6 of the most popular cleansers sold right now at Sephora, Ulta, Nordstrom, Walgreens, and Target. 2 of them are probably in your bathroom tonight. By the time you reach the second brand, you will understand why tens of thousands of women with chronic dryness, sensitivity, and skin that never seems to cooperate are stripping their routines back to almost nothing. And by the end, you will know the exact 3 products to replace them with. The anger hits first. The relief comes right after. La Mer the cleansing foam retails for $110 at Nordstrom. $110 for a face wash. When women reach for that bottle, they are not buying soap. They are buying a story. The origin story of Max Huber, a NASA aerospace physicist who suffered severe chemical burns in a laboratory explosion in the 1950s and spent 12 years developing a healing serum from fermented sea kelp. That story is attached to everything La Mer makes. The mythology is the product, and the mythology is expensive. Open the ingredient list of the cleansing foam and read the 3rd item, sodium Laureth sulfate. Sodium Laureth sulfate is a synthetic surfactant. It is the primary cleansing agent in dozens of face washes that sell for under $10. It appears in many household cleaning products. At $110, La Mer's formula also delivers parfum, which is the INCI term for a fragrance blend that can contain dozens of undisclosed chemical compounds behind a single ingredient declaration. Dermatological allergy organizations have consistently documented fragrance mixtures as one of the most common contact sensitizers found in cosmetic products. You are paying for a brand story that lives in the moisturizer. In the cleanser, you are paying $110 for the same fundamental cleansing chemistry that is available for a fraction of that price, combined with a fragrance load that serves the scent experience, not your skin. The cosmetic chemistry community has made this observation plainly on multiple platforms. When the active cleansing mechanism of a luxury product and a budget product are chemically equivalent, the price difference is entirely a branding investment. In a cleanser, where the formula stays on the skin for 30 to 60 seconds before rinsing, you are getting almost none of the benefit of any premium ingredients that might also be present. The rinse removes them. The surfactant and the fragrance stay on the skin the longest. And those are the 2 elements doing the most potential damage. The next brand does something more calculated. It built its entire identity around the language of dermatology, used that language to charge a premium for 55 years, and put one of the more aggressive sulfates near the top of the ingredient list. Clinique Liquid Facial Soap, mild formula, is $32 at Nordstrom and Sephora. The brand name Clinique comes from the French word for clinic. The founding story, printed on Clinique's own marketing materials, is that Vogue beauty editor Carol Phillips worked with New York dermatologist Norman Orentreich in 1968 to create the first dermatologist-developed, allergy-tested cosmetic line. The promise was clinical precision in skincare, scientifically formulated, safe by design. Look at the 3rd ingredient in the mild formula, sodium lauryl sulfate, not sodium Laureth sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate. The distinction is significant. SLS is the more aggressive of the 2 main surfactant families in common use. Multiple peer-reviewed analyses published in cosmetic dermatology literature have found that sodium lauryl sulfate temporarily compromises the stratum corneum. the outermost layer of the skin's protective barrier, and disrupts the skin's acid mantle by raising its pH above the optimal range of 4.5 to 5.5. When that happens, the skin's own lipid-building enzymes slow down. Transepidermal water loss increases. Skin becomes reactive, tight, and prone to sensitive responses that seem to have no cause. Dr. Muneeb Shah, a board-certified dermatologist with over 17 million followers on TikTok, has explained on multiple occasions how repeated daily use of high pH cleansers accumulates barrier damage over weeks and months. The skin does not send a visible injury signal, it just becomes harder to manage. Drier, more reactive to other products. Prone to sudden, unexplained flares. Most women trace it back to everything in their routine except the cleanser, because the cleanser has always been there. Clinique's founding story told you this formula was built with dermatologists. The board-certified dermatologists now explaining to their patients how to rebuild a damaged barrier are consistently pointing at sodium lauryl sulfate as a primary culprit. A brand that built 55 years of consumer trust on the word dermatologist is charging $32 for an SLS-based formula with added fragrance. The brand story and the formula are working in opposite directions. That is the most damaging finding in this entire video. It comes second because it needed to be earned. Everything from here descends from that point, but none of it is less real. Philosophy Purity Made Simple. One-Step Facial Cleanser is $30 at Ulta. It is one of the best-selling cleansers in the country. The name alone carries enormous persuasion. Purity. Made simple. It signals clean ingredients, an uncomplicated formula, nothing to worry about. The second ingredient is sodium Laureth sulfate. Parfum appears further down. For $30, Philosophy has assembled a formula with the same basic cleansing mechanism and the same fragrance risk as La Mer at nearly 4 times the price. What makes Philosophy's version specifically worth examining is perception. It is consistently recommended in online forums and across influencer content as the gentle, accessible option for everyday cleansing. The name is doing work that the ingredient list does not support. Cosmetic chemistry researchers have noted repeatedly that fragrance compounds in wash-off products, even during brief contact, can trigger inflammatory responses in skin with any degree of pre-existing compromise. Invisible barrier compromise is still barrier compromise. The tightness after cleansing, the sensitivity to serums and actives that used to cause no reaction, the low-grade inflammation that comes and goes without explanation. These are often traced back to the step that felt the safest. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser is $22 for 5 ounces at Sephora. Kiehl's positions itself as an apothecary heritage brand, built on the language of pharmacy-grade formulation and skin tolerance, with the Ultra Facial line specifically marketed as appropriate for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The fourth ingredient is sodium lauryl sulfate. For $22 in a Sephora bag, with the apothecary aesthetic and the heritage story on the label. The cleansing agent doing the primary work in this formula is the same SLS that dermatology literature flags for pH disruption and barrier interference. Kiehl's is not hiding this. The ingredient list is publicly available on every retailer's product page. But the combination of heritage branding, clinical feeling packaging, and a price point that lands in the comfortable middle ground, not luxury, not drugstore, creates a perception of rigor that the formula does not match. At $22, this is the cleanser that makes women feel responsible, informed, moderate. The chemistry underneath it is the same problem. Neutrogena. Deep Clean Facial Cleanser is $8.99 at Walgreens. Neutrogena has decades of dermatologist recommendation associations, and the Deep Clean line is marketed as a clarifying formula that removes residue from deep within the pore. The name implies thoroughness. The history implies safety. The second ingredient is sodium lauryl sulfate. Fragrance appears further down the list. Together, SLS and added fragrance in a product used twice daily represent the combination that board-certified dermatologists most frequently cite when consulting patients with chronic sensitivity, reactive skin, and recurring perioral dermatitis. At $9, the barrier damage is affordable. That is precisely what makes this Formula One dermatologists see in their offices more than any other. Patients who use the most stripping cleansers are often the ones who believe that a lower price meant less active intervention. Neutrogena. Deep Clean costs less than every other product in this video. It delivers the same fundamental problem. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub is $5.99 at Target. This one you already know. This is the scrub your mother had on the shelf. This may be the first face wash you ever used. It has been a fixture of dermatology discourse for years, and it makes this list for a reason that goes beyond its surfactant chemistry, though it also contains sodium lauryl sulfate. The physical exfoliant in this formula is Juglans regia shell powder. That is crushed walnut shell. Under magnification, walnut shell particles have irregular, jagged edges. They are not uniformly smooth spheres engineered for controlled surface contact. Multiple dermatologists and cosmetic chemistry researchers have documented that these irregular particles create microabrasions in the stratum corneum during manual scrubbing. In 2016, a class action lawsuit was filed against Unilever, the parent company of Ives, alleging exactly this mechanism, that the product caused microscopic skin tears and surface damage. The lawsuit was settled. The formula remains substantially unchanged. The product is still on shelves at Target right now for $5.99, and millions of women still reach for it weekly because the apricot scent and the familiar grit produce a sensation that feels like efficacy. It is effective, just not in the direction they intend. Now you know what to stop using. Here's what to replace them with, and this part moves fast because you are already convinced. You just need the answer. CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser is $14.97 at Target. No sodium lauryl sulfate. No fragrance. The formula contains ceramide NP, ceramide AP, and ceramide EOP, 3 ceramides that are structurally identical to the lipids that make up the skin's natural barrier, along with hyaluronic acid for moisture retention during cleansing. Dr. Muneeb Shah and Dr. Shireen Idris, both board-certified dermatologists with large public platforms, have each recommended this formula repeatedly across their content. It is the direct replacement for every sulfate-based cleanser in this video at any price point, including the $110 bottle. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser is $15.99 at Ulta and Target. Fragrance-free, SLS-free. Formulated for compromised and sensitive barrier skin with glycerin as the primary humectant to prevent transepidermal water loss during the cleansing process itself. It is the product most consistently cited by dermatologists in the cosmetic community when recommending a transition away from foaming sulfate cleansers. This is the direct replacement for Philosophy Purity Made Simple and the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser is $9.99 at Target and Walgreens. Free of sulfates, fragrance, dyes, parabens, and formaldehyde-releasing preservatives. Developed in collaboration with dermatologists for patients with reactive and sensitized skin. Board-certified dermatologists who specialize in eczema and chronic skin barrier disorders cite Vanicream as a first-line recommendation when patients need to rebuild a damaged barrier from scratch. It is the direct replacement for both the Neutrogena Deep Clean and the St. Ives Apricot Scrub. At $10, it costs less than both of them. You came into this video thinking your cleanser was probably the safest step in your routine. You were not wrong for thinking that. Every brand, every price point, every marketing story in this list was designed to produce exactly that feeling. What you found here instead is that a product charging $110 and a product charging $6 share the same fundamental barrier-disrupting chemistry. And the most damaging finding is the one attached to a brand that spent 55 years building consumer trust on the word dermatologist, while formulating with sodium lauryl sulfate. The word dermatologist on a cosmetic label has never been regulated. Any brand can use it. Many do. Now you know what to look for instead. Thanks for watching. If this opened your eyes, subscribe so you never get fooled again.